Figures of Speech Part 2. Hello friends, welcome back to Active Learning. Today we are going to learn more figures of speech. Antithesis. Here the two words or ideas which are opposite in meaning put together in a sentence forms an antithesis. So this is one kind of contrast. Both are opposite to each other. Let's see an example. Speech is silver, but silence is golden. Speech means to speak, and to keep mum is silence. Both are opposite, but here they are kept together. United we stand and divided we fall. Look at the picture. One shows the strength of unity and other shows the effect of division. He is good to others and bad to others. A same person is there, but he is black and white, means he is good to other person, at the same time he is bad to other. So here both opposite qualities are put together. The next figure of speech is oxymoron. It is also a contrast only. There is a contradiction between two words placed next to each other. Now see, the words placed next to each other and they are opposite in meaning to the word it modifies. Clear? So, he is regularly irregular. Now, try to understand. Irregular and regular, they are opposite words. So, अगर कोई इंसान बहुत ही अपने कार्य में अनियमित है, लेकिन ये irregularity भी उसकी रोज पाई जाती है. So, to say it more effectively, we use this oxymoron. Do you have the original copies? When I say copy, original चीजों से और इसके रेप्लिकेट जो बनाया गया है उसको हम कॉपीज कहते हैं. तो ओरिजिनल कॉपी हो ही नहीं सकती है, राइट? सो यहाँ पे ओरिजिनल एंड कॉपी बोथ आर अपोजिट वर्ड्स प्लेस्ड टुगेदर. द नेक्स्ट इज एपिग्राम. इट इज अ शॉर्ट, विट्टी, पैराडॉक्सिकल एंड फनी पोएम और सेइंग. कभी कभी हम कोई बातों को ज़्यादा ह्यूमरस वे से, लेकिन उसमें एक फनी चीज़ भी होती है, इसमें एक तर्क भी होता है, इसमें एक सरकास्म भी होता है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एपिग्राम. Fool runs in where the angels fear to tread. Mankind must put an end to war, or war will put an end to mankind. अगर आप ये देखेंगे सेकेंड सेंटेंस तो ये somewhat रियलिटी है, राइट? तो एपिग्राम इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज वन काइंड ऑफ proverb. It is better to light a candle than curse the darkness. तो यहाँ पर एक मैसेज है, एक saying है. So exclamation, the most easiest one. The moment you see the exclamatory mark, you will realize that this figure of speech conveys strong emotion or excitement. Oh, how wonderful is the sunset! What a lovely bouquet of flowers! That birthday cake was so good. So just by mere presence of exclamatory mark, we can say this figures of speech is exclamation. Inversion, invert करना, उल्टा करना. Here the normal order of the words is suitably rearranged for the sake of rhyme. कई बार कवि जो है वो rhyming words proper आने के लिए इन words को उल्टा पुल्टा रख देते हैं. For example, 10,000 saw I at a glance. If I say at a glance I saw 10,000, this should be the correct order. But here they put it as a 10,000 saw I at a glance. Tomorrow will come the decision. Powerful you have become. The dark side I sense in you. So यहाँ पर भी जो arrangement है, it is inverted. The next is pun. It is mostly used for the joke, a joke that makes a play on words. It have more than one meaning also. Certain times आप कुछ और कहना चाहते हैं और वो कुछ और convey करता है, but it has a humorous effect. She had a photographic memory but never developed it. मतलब उसकी मेमोरी इतनी अच्छी है, पर जैसे अगर किसी फोटो को डेवलप नहीं करेंगे तो बाहर आती ही नहीं है. इसी तरह से the memory is not useful because they have not developed it. A boiled egg every morning is hard to beat. Isn't it funny? A boiled egg is the most soft one, right? But a bicycle can't stand on its own because it is too tired. Now here they use the word too tired. The tired and tired, right? So यहाँ पे homophone का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. But the purpose is they want to create some humor on this. Irony. In this, the real meaning is exactly the opposite of that which is literally conveyed. जो कहना चाहते हैं उनसे बिल्कुल उल्टा होता है. A pilot has a fear of heights. Now imagine, how can a pilot run an aircraft if he has a fear of height? It is not possible. A member of PETA wears leather shoes. PETA people are the one who are have their movement for the animals, but they themselves, if they wear the leather shoes, so this is opposite to what they are doing. The police stations get robbed. Imagine, a police station is for the safety of the people and somebody is robbing them. It is not possible. Euphemism. A euphemism is the use of agreeable or inoffensive words to replace the rude of offensive ones. कई बार हम कुछ कहना चाहते हैं लेकिन ये जो कहना चाहते हैं वो बहुत संवेदनशील है, बहुत हार्श भी हो सकता है और हम उसके लिए ज़्यादा माइल्ड वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड यूफेमिज्म. सो यूज ऑफ माइल्ड वर्ड फॉर हार्श. नाउ समझो ही हैज डाइड, कोई गुजर गया है तो हम कहेंगे he has passed away. So this means become more mild. She is unemployed. उसको बेचारी के पास कोई काम नहीं है ना, बिना काम की है. पर इससे बजाय हम कहेंगे she is between jobs, मतलब वो काम ढूंढ रही है. काम नहीं है बहुत हार्श है, पर वो काम ढूंढ रही है. मीनिंग तो वही है, बट दिस इज मोर माइल्ड. डिसेबल्ड और लर्निंग चैलेंज्ड. अगर कोई बच्चा पढ़ाई में कमज़ोर है, वीक है, उसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, वी यूज द वर्ड ही इज अ स्पेशल चाइल्ड. मेटोनॉमी. हियर एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज डेजिग्नेटेड नेम ऑफ समथिंग विच इज जनरली एसोसिएटेड विद इट. मतलब यू मस्ट एड्रेस द चेयर. नाउ वी नो दैट टू एड्रेस मीन्स द अथॉरिटी. द बेंच फॉर द जज. The house for the members of Lok Sabha. We know that the Lok Sabha is as one more name that is called as the house. So here house is word which is associated with Lok Sabha. Bench is associated with judge, right? And hence they are used together. It is known as metonymy. Thank you children. And still if you have not watched my first video, please see that video.